Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Selo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Well, it seems like Mihlali Ndamase just can't catch a break from blogger Musa, who seemed to have his own personal vendetta against the YouTuber, you guys. Well, Musa has once again made more serious allegations against Mihlali Ndamase. This time he has alleged that Mihlali has moved in with her married boyfriend Leeroy Sidambe in his mansion. Musa wrote this on Twitter. As more pictures surfaced, Mihlali Ndamase was spotted looking very shocked with her married boyfriend Leeroy Sidambe. Sources confirmed that Mihlali has now moved into Sidambe's newly bought mansion while abandoning his wife and two kids, wrote Musa. It was discovered a couple of months ago that the pair are indeed a couple and that Mary Jane Sidambe, the wife of Leeroy, has moved out of the house she shared with the businessman. Well, now both Mihlali and Leeroy are no longer hiding their love affair as they have been spotted together on multiple occasions, you guys. Now do engage with me in the comment section below, like, share, and also subscribe. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much. Bye.